In this video, I am going to share with you the step-by-step guide to use hypnotic version of Ho'oponopono with your clients. Now before that, you know that a small action on your part can help others learn from this video as well, right? The Ho'oponopono prayer revolves around 4 key statements. I love you, I'm sorry, I forgive you, and thank you. The hypnotic version of Ho'oponopono revolves around using guided imagination to help clients actually experience the essence of these statements. The steps involved include: first, helping the client experience a deep hypnotic state and then imagining themselves on a beach. Second, using an analogy between the sea and the universal consciousness. Third, asking clients to write the message I love you on the sand with the names of all the people that they would like to express their love for, starting with their own name at the top of the list. Next, once the client has written the names, suggest that the water from the sea comes and takes the names and the message with it back into the sea. As the sea represents the universal consciousness, the message is delivered to all the people whose names were mentioned below the message. You can also add the suggestion that the client's breath will become deeper once the message has been delivered. Fifth, ask the client to write the message I am sorry on the sand, and below that message, names of all the people that they may have hurt knowingly or unknowingly. Again, starting with their own name first. Sixth, again suggest that water will deliver the message to all the people whose names are mentioned on the list. 7. Ask the client to write the message I forgive you on the sand, and below the message names of all the people that may have hurt the client through their actions or inactions. Again, starting with their own name first. 8. Again suggest that the water will deliver the message to all the people whose names are mentioned on the list. 9th, finally ask the client to write the message thank you, and below that the names of all the people starting with their own name who have played any role in their lives, as each of these people have helped the client become who he or she is today. 10th, once again suggests that the water will deliver the message to all the people whose names are mentioned on the list. While you are doing the process, you can make the experience more real and powerful using additional hypnotic suggestions. You can also ask the client to notice the lightness that they experience with every name they write under each message. I also make it a point to add a suggestion that after the thank you message is delivered, the client receives an insight or a revelation that can transform the client's life. Once the client has received the insight or the revelation, you can even future pace the insight so that the client can experience how the application of this insight will change their life. Once the client notices the application of the insight, you can wake up the client from the hypnotic state. After the client wakes up, in most cases, you would realize that the client's expression itself tells you how powerful this experience was for the client. It is in that moment that you may also realize what a privilege it is to actually be in this profession. The fact that you can notice transformation in the client's life in an experience that is difficult to describe. If you would love to have these experiences and create powerful transformation in your clients' lives, go ahead and apply these steps with your clients. In case you are a practicing psychologist who understands the importance of training under supervision and guidance, which I highly suggest, do check out the Cognitive Hypnotic Psychotherapy Diploma. You will not just learn the hypnotic version of Ho'oponopono and a lot more, but also how to integrate multiple techniques seamlessly as a part of a comprehensive eclectic approach to therapy. If you have any other questions about the approach or the process, do feel free to ask us in the comments and we will address them in our Friday Q&A sessions on FB and YouTube.